Right, I'm sick of people saying, Steve, just get a divorce. It's not that fucking simple, okay? It's about time that I expressed how fucking annoying this whole load of fucking shit is. I've tried my best, I've gone through all different possible channels to get a divorce. People are pretending to be her. I don't know if some of the messages are actually her trying to contact me. I'm confused as fuck. I've gone through, not just gone through, what I mean is, I have used citizens' advice on the phone and face-to-face meetings. I have had phone calls with the local courts trying to figure things out. I have even fucking paid for her to be located. They don't need to give me her address as long as the divorce papers, as they are known as, are sent out to her. If that is what she really wants. Or is somebody just simply taking the fucking piss out of me? On the government website, when applying for divorce, it does show a last known address of your spouse. So I entered that. She hasn't been in contact, or nobody that I don't know if it was really her or not. I don't fucking know. So don't fucking tell me to pull my finger out or pull my thumb out, whatever the fuck that sick little comment was. Because I've tried hard as fuck to figure things out. I'm wound up enough, and it's about time I fucking said so. I do have great friends and great family around to help me out. But I'm still not getting anywhere. She was given the opportunity to email me, and then I found a way going through like the government website to just let them know, like send a message to the courts or the government at least. Okay, the storage ran out on my phone. I've deleted like 700 and something megabytes of a really important video just so that I can continue to get my point across. I can transfer the information directly through, like just not through, but to her email address. Which is why I don't really think that that was her trying to contact me, because I haven't had any response. If I had her email address, I could give a link to her and then she can do what she needs to do on her end, as it were. Start recording again. My email address is punksteve84@gmail.com. So be respectful. Anybody that wants to contact me pretending to be somebody else, don't do it, as charges will be pressed. Okay? There's your warning. Somebody claiming to be Melissa Clark wants my email address. Doesn't everybody know my email address already? My email address is punksteve84@gmail.com. Anybody contacting me other than Melissa, I will be pressing charges in a case of harassment, okay? My friends and family are free to contact me with my email address. If somebody is pretending to be somebody else, you will be quite easily spotted and reported before I block you. I have my ways. But yeah, all friends and family are welcome. It's just the nuisance people talking a load of shite. Good luck in prison. That's all I'll say. Peace out.